Mga kabomot Star Nation, ang kasong tax evasion laban kay Sara Diskaya formal nang naisampa sa korte. Ito namang si Curly Diskaya hindi pa muna kinasuhan ng Department of Justice dahil sa kanyang musyong inihain. Yan ang mga detalye na tinutukan ni Bombo Grant Hilario.
Kinumpirma ng Department of Justice na kanilang formal nang naisampa sa korte ang kaso laban sa kontratistang si Sara Diskaya may kinalaman sa usapin pagbabayad ng buwis. Ayon kay Justice Spokesperson Attorney Polo Martinez, alinsunod ito ng matukoy ng prosekusyon na mayroong sapat na batayan para ihain na bilang kaso ang reklamong kinakarap ni Diskaya. Anyaya, nadetermina ng panel of prosecutors ang pagkakaroon ng prima facie evidence with certainty of conviction kung kaya iniakyat na sa korte ang kaso. Partikular na kanilang sinampa ng 4 na bilang ng kasong tax evasion ang kontratista nag-ugat sa bigong pagtupad na bayaran ng tama ang kaukulang buwis sa taxable year 2020 at 2021. Paliwanag ng naturang tagapagsalita kung bakit 4 counts tax evasion case ang isinampa ay dahil sa kada taxable year na nabanggit ay nakitaan ito ng paglabag sa Section 254 at 255 ng National Internal Revenue Code ng bansa. Sa ilalim kasi ng batas na ito ay ang kanyang ginawang intensyonal na takasan ng tamang pagbabayad ng buwis at pati ang bigong pagbabahagi ng tunay na impormasyon hinggil sa bayarin. Opisyal na inihain ng naturang kaso sa Court of Tax Appeals nitong ika-3 ng Pebrero sa kasalukuyang taong 2026.
It was found that there was prima facie evidence with reasonable certainty of conviction to charge Cesara Rowena Diskaya of 4 counts of tax evasion corresponding to 2 taxable years. That's taxable year 2020 and 2021. We say 4 counts because per each taxable year, 2 violations for 2 provisions of the tax code or the National Internal Revenue Code was found. That's section 254, which is for willful attempt to evade or defeat taxes, and section 255, which is willful failure to supply correct and accurate information. So 1 count for each provision corresponding to 1 taxable year. The information for this case was filed, we report, on February 3, 2026 with the Court of Tax Appeals which has jurisdiction over the offense.
Bukod kay Sara Diskaya, naharap rin sa kaparehong kaso ang kanyang asawa na si Pacifico Curly Diskaya. Subalit, aminado ng Department of Justice na kumpara sa babaeng Diskaya, ipinagpaliban mo ng makasuhan sa korte si Curly Diskaya. Ayon kasi kay Justice Spokesperson Martinez, naghain ng mosyon ng kampo ni Diskaya, nagsanhi para hindi muna maituloy ang pagsasampa ng kaso. Ipinare-rekonsidera nito ang paghahain ng impormasyon o resolusyon ng prosekusyon kung kaya't hihinga ng Bureau of Internal Revenue o BIR na magsumite ng kanilang komento.
As for the other accused, si Pacifico Diskaya II, otherwise known as Curly, similarly, prima facie evidence with reasonable certainty of conviction was found to charge him for the same provisions of the tax code, that's section 254 and 255, willful intent to evade taxes and willful failure to supply the correct information is ITR. However, the information for that particular case has not yet been filed because Curly Diskaya filed a motion for reconsideration with the deferment of the filing of the information with a panel of prosecutors, or should I say just 1 prosecutor. And so because of this filing, the BIR, as a matter of procedure, was asked to comment, and so until such time the BIR can comment, and until such time that the panel of prosecutors or that prosecutor can resolve on the basis of these documents, then preliminary investigation is continuing.
Dahil rito, hihintayin ng prosekusyon ang ipapasang komento ng kawanihan habang nagpapatuloy ang preliminary investigation bago formal na resolbahin ang reklamo at ihain na bilang kaso sa korte. Para sa Bombo Network News, ito si Bombo Grant Hilario, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.